Baby Cham, lifestyle, dancehall career, and net worth in 2024. Lifestyle. Baby Cham, born Damian Beckett, is not just a prominent figure in the dancehall music scene. He's an icon who has continually redefined the genre with his electrifying performances and chart-topping hits. His dynamic presence on stage is matched by a lifestyle that screams success and dedication to his craft. Cham is married to the stunning Ophelia Beckett, affectionately known as O. More than just his wife, O is an integral part of Cham's career, providing unwavering support and often collaborating on creative projects. Together, they paint a picture of a power couple, sharing captivating glimpses of their life on social media. Whether it's a behind-the-scenes look at a recording session, a family vacation in the Caribbean, or a cozy evening at home, Cham and O seamlessly blend work and leisure, embodying the perfect balance. Cham's lifestyle is a harmonious blend of luxury and authenticity. Despite his international fame, he remains deeply connected to his Jamaican roots. He frequently returns to his homeland, drawing inspiration from its vibrant culture and people. His posts often feature sun-drenched beaches, lively local markets, and intimate gatherings with family and friends, reflecting his love for his island home. Yet, Cham's lifestyle isn't all about relaxation. He's committed to health and fitness, regularly sharing workouts and healthy living tips with his fans. His disciplined routine ensures he stays in peak condition, ready to deliver those high-energy performances that have made him a dancehall legend. Cham's life is a testament to his hard work, family values, and the relentless pursuit of excellence in everything he does. Dancehall career. Baby Cham's career in dancehall ignited in the late 1990s, and he swiftly emerged as a powerhouse in the genre. His breakout hits, such as A Ghetto Story and Vitamin S, were not just songs, they were anthems that resonated deeply with fans worldwide. His early collaboration with the legendary producer Dave Kelly was a match made in musical heaven, setting the stage for Cham's meteoric rise. Kelly's knack for crafting infectious beats combined with Cham's raw talent and lyrical prowess created a slew of hits that dominated the dancehall charts. As the years rolled on, Cham didn't just rest on his laurels. He released a string of albums and singles that further solidified his status as a dancehall heavyweight. His music, characterized by its compelling narratives and catchy rhythms, often delved into social issues and personal experiences, striking a chord with a diverse audience. Cham's ability to blend storytelling with infectious dancehall beats set him apart from his peers. One of the hallmarks of Cham's career has been his willingness to collaborate with a variety of artists, breaking genre boundaries and expanding his musical reach. High-profile collaborations with international stars like Alicia Keys and Foxy Brown showcased his versatility and helped introduce dancehall to a broader audience. These partnerships not only amplified his fame but also demonstrated his knack for creating timeless music that transcends cultural and musical barriers. In 2024, Cham remains a formidable force in the dancehall scene. His relevance and influence are undiminished, a testament to his enduring talent and adaptability in an ever-evolving industry. He continues to churn out fresh, innovative music, collaborating with both emerging and established artists. Cham's energetic performances are still a major draw at music festivals and events around the globe, captivating audiences with his unique style and infectious energy. Cham's longevity in the music industry is a reflection of his relentless work ethic, creative genius, and the deep connection he maintains with his fans. His journey from a rising star in the late 90s to a dancehall legend in 2024 is a compelling story of talent, resilience, and an unwavering passion for music. Net worth in 2024. As of 2024, Baby Cham's net worth is estimated to be around $5 million, a testament to his multifaceted career and savvy business moves. His wealth streams from various sources, including substantial music sales, electrifying performances, lucrative endorsements, and shrewd business ventures. Cham's unwavering presence in the music industry, marked by strategic collaborations and a relentless entrepreneurial spirit, has been pivotal in his financial success. Beyond his prolific music career, Cham has astutely invested in real estate, securing properties that yield significant returns. Additionally, he has ventured into other profitable business opportunities, further enhancing his financial portfolio. Cham's ability to diversify his income streams while maintaining a robust presence in the music scene underscores his exceptional business acumen and forward-thinking approach. This blend of artistic talent and business savvy has ensured his lasting success and solidified his reputation as a versatile and enterprising figure in the entertainment industry. In conclusion, Baby Cham's lifestyle, career, and net worth in 2024 paint a vivid picture of a successful and influential artist who has left an indelible mark on the dancehall music scene. Cham's dedication to his craft is evident in his continuous production of high-quality music, innovative performances, and strategic collaborations that keep him relevant and admired in the industry. His journey from a rising star in the late 90s to a dancehall legend today is a testament to his relentless work ethic, creative genius, and passion for music. His personal life is equally captivating. Cham's marriage to Ophelia Beckett, who plays a significant role in his career, highlights a powerful partnership that blends personal and professional lives seamlessly. Together, they showcase a lifestyle that balances luxury with grounded values, sharing glimpses of their life on social media that inspire and engage fans. Financially, Cham's estimated net worth of $5 million reflects his success in diversifying income streams. From music sales and performances to endorsements and real estate investments, his business acumen has been instrumental in building and maintaining his wealth. Cham's ability to adapt and innovate in both his music and business ventures underscores his forward-thinking approach, ensuring his lasting impact on the dancehall scene. His story is one of talent, resilience, and strategic brilliance, making him a true icon in the music industry.